What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day because we got a shipment that just got dropped off in our driveway, and it is the final piece to the SEMA build. It's not the final piece to this build. I have a lot more I want to get done, but between now and SEMA, this is pretty much how the truck is going to end up looking. So I want to do a huge shout out to not only Road Armor, but Ben. You guys obviously remember him from my older videos, Green Jeep Ben. He was in contact with Road Armor, and then he got me in contact with Road Armor, and I'm going to be honest, the customer service and everything at Road Armor is just incredible, and I cannot wait to get these bumpers on my truck. These are the Road Armor Identity Series bumpers, and they're just going to look beyond phenomenal on my truck. These were supposed to show up at about 8 a.m. this morning, and somehow the shipping company route switched, so I was the last delivery of the day. So it's now, I don't have a watch still, but it's 5:56 p.m. and these need to be in Columbus because they need to be painted so I could get them back and put them on the truck, because then I got to ship this thing to Vegas like sometime very soon. So what we're going to do is unbox these, make sure everything's right, everything's correct. We're going to load these up in the back of the truck, drive these down to Columbus, and drop them off so they can get painted. If you didn't catch last video, my buddy who painted our fender flares, making them look all factory and perfect, we'll be painting our bumpers for SEMA. I'll put his Instagram right here. He does amazing paint work if you're in the Columbus area or anywhere regional area. Hit him up sometime because he does crazy good work. So something I didn't realize were these bumpers come in pieces. So here's like the end wing. Here's like, I believe this is probably for the backup cubes or something. But they all come in separate pieces, so once you get them all apart, you're gonna literally just put them together, which will be super sweet. And easier for transport too, so when they come back, I'll obviously screw everything together. But wow, that's awesome. I like that. Okay, just running through all these boxes here, seeing like the raw pieces. Here's obviously our back bumper. Looks like a little bigger than like a cube here. I have to look at the instructions, see what they say fits these bumpers, but I'm gonna have to get the lighting ordered as well for this stuff. Dang, this is gonna look awesome. Oh, this could look so awesome. Okay, well, I can see why off-road bumpers are like so darn expensive. There's a lot that goes into these. However, what I can say, oh, this is definitely gonna look awesome when it's on the truck. When we get this on the truck, I honestly can't wait. But I gotta get these loaded so we could get these to Columbus so we can get them painted. Now, I bet a lot of you are gonna be like, what? You're not painting them yourself? So auto paint is very tricky. One thing is you gotta have the supplies to mix it. You can't just go to Home Depot and buy a gallon of P06. You gotta know the right people, stuff like that, and then get the paint and stuff along those lines. Do I know the right people? Yes. However, with SEMA coming and all this, like if you guys saw, me and my buddy Julio painted these way back in the day. They were chrome. They're doing wonderful. I had 3 days in a weekend, then staying up 27 hours to paint, watch it dry, paint, watch it dry. I had that time. Now, frankly, I need to get this thing done. And as you can see now, put the bumper together, get the lighting in there, wired and all this stuff so I could get it to Vegas in time. I don't want to be crunching at the last day, the last second. So obviously I texted my buddy, and he graciously allowed us to get in. He's gonna get these painted for us, and then we're gonna bring them back here, put them all together, put them on, wire the lights from the backup lights to the the front light bars and all of that. We're gonna get all that done. As you guys can see, we are still not taking the easy road. I could have ordered these black, painted black or powder coated black or the textured whatever. I could have ordered these like that, but no, we're still doing the build right. We're gonna get these color matched. I do see a lot of that on YouTube, which is, it just blows my mind. It's this build, you guys are following my build. I'm not here to like pump random crappy content out just to get things done. I'm building my truck the way I want to build my truck. The detail and everything I hope shows. So we're gonna get these all loaded up, take them down to Columbus. It's about an hour and 40-minute drive. Burn a lot of diesel tonight, and we'll probably get back close to midnight. My buddy is a professional painter, so he'll get us all done up right just in time for SEMA. But if you guys didn't catch our last video, look at this hitch. Oh, that really turns me on. That thing looks so good. Okay, so that both bumpers are like completely like, here's the parts and put them together. I got the rear bumper parts and the front bumper parts in their own separate boxes so we don't get them all like mixed up. I got all the bumper like pieces loaded in the bed. It's a little bit confusing. I ordered the ones with the beauty rings. I believe I saw them all in there, so let's hope for the best because I really, I think they're all in there. I didn't unbox the one box, but we don't have any time for like setbacks, so I'm hoping everything's in there. It should be. Everything else looked great. So we're gonna load up these last two boxes and pretty much just hit the road because we gotta get these down there. All right, we got everything loaded up. And here's to the start of a very, very long night. It's already dark. Oh, definitely about to be a long night. But it needs to be done. I hope you guys like enjoy these videos of like behind the scenes of not only a like SEMA build, but like an at-home SEMA build, like doing most of the stuff as much as I can myself. Hopefully you guys enjoy like the complete behind the scenes of it, because this is the stuff that happens to get stuff like this done. Also, I still need a rear bulb for this truck because it's definitely not the same color, but oh yeah. Oh guys, let's see. Well, at least the tank's full. 719. We'll see when we get back. It'll be a trip, but it's got to be done. Ain't that right, co-pilot? Alright. So bright. I'm confused at what's going on.
Look at the dog.
Oh my god. I'm actually not. We're only going an hour. That doesn't feel like that. I mean, it does. It feels like we're going. Actually, no. Oh, guys. Oh, we made it. It's like 9 o'clock, so not horrible timing, but we made it. These boxes were literally flapping the whole way because they've been open. Oh, whale. Oh.
Your sister freaking out?
I don't know. I frankly was just gonna find a dumpster, but I guess it'll help me carrying them back. Oh, there's a pole there. Look at those headlights at night. Oh, those are wet, actually. Dang. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, so we dropped all of our bumpers off down at our neighbor's house, who will be painting them. Should be done by the end of this week, which will be awesome. But my thing is, you see the size of these boxes? That's for a Ram 2500. Now Ben's Jeep, look at the size of his, oh my gosh, that thing's
actually one. I had 2 of these boxes.
That's ridiculously large. So he had 2 of these boxes. Now, truck and Jeep bumper, just mental picture. Look at the size of the box he got from Road Armor for his Jeep bumper.
Right,
oh, he had 2 of them.
Yeah.
So he had 2. Yeah, there's a size reference. Not only that, it's also like double wide, like double deep. I don't get that because look at these. Obviously, mine's like put together, but still, even the width and like sheer length of the thing, that is ridiculous. I honestly thought that my bumper was gonna ship in a box like that. The whole thing put together, but it's so different.
Yeah, I actually fit everything from both boxes in this one.
Yeah.
And this. Well, that was like a separate box anyway. So
That's crazy. Wait, so you got a rear and a...
I got front and rear. These are my new fender liners. 50-inch light bar mount. And rear swing gate.
Oh, yeah.
And then, if anybody wants factory suspension, I still have it.
Oh, you still
If
do?
anybody wants my factory rear bumper, I still have it. That's it. That's the end of my commercial.
Yeah, wait. Where'd you get these?
I made them. You can have them. You can have both of them because they didn't really work for what I needed.
Well, I need South Bend clutch. Oh, we got that from Daytona. Bigfoot response vehicle. I need to honestly buy a freaking vinyl cutter because I need to get all my decals made. Because I know by the time I get them all vectored and like bring them to you and Jacob bring the vinyl back down, it's just not going to work.
Do you think the South Bend clutch air freshener smells like burnt clutch?
That would smell disgusting. But we should probably test it out. Oh, you're never going to use it, so crack it
No,
open.
I got it down in Daytona. Also, for all your Road Armor needs, use code Mojito20 to get 20% off. It smells like cologne.
Ooh.
It smells like
That actually smells good.
male cologne.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want that? I'm not gonna use
Not
it.
really, but if there's a stinky trash can, we can put it in here. Which one smells? No, that smells fine.
Oh, I actually need to put my rocks on there.
Actually, alright guys, we literally just got back. Let me try to find my... It's 12:37 in the morning. Like I said, it is a long night. We left at 7, got back at 12. Not the worst thing in the world, just 2 long drives. Bumpers are dropped off. They're in good hands. We're going to get them looking right, ready for SEMA. As of today, I have 15 days till I land in Las Vegas. My flight lands, you know, the 31st. Then we got stuff to do from the 31st all the way through the 10th in Vegas with these trucks. There's more behind SEMA than you think, and I'm definitely taking you guys along for the ride. But I got 15 days till I need to be in Vegas. And in those 15 days, we got diff covers. We got bumpers that need painted, picked up, brought back, assembled, lighting to be put in them, lighting to be ran, all that wiring, and put on the truck. As you guys know by now, the mirrors and handles will not be painted for SEMA. That could happen after, but we're gonna roll with it for now. It honestly looks good. The way it does, it looks darn good, but obviously it's something else we can handle when we get back from SEMA as well, no problem. And we also have, I kind of want to add more rock lights. Not that that matters for being at the SEMA show, but if I got some extra time, I'm definitely going to add more rock lights. And I got my Horn Blasters kit to install. So between all that, I will have my hands busy. In 15 days, I got to be in Vegas. Probably less than that. This truck needs to ship out. So give or take 10 days total. I want to have this truck done by next Wednesday, and we'll see. So my plan is to get everything all hooked up, wired, stuff like that, because we don't have much time left. Even though we got half a month, it's still coming down to crunch time here. I'm so glad we got everything powdered we needed and stuff like that. So we're on a pretty good schedule here. Once the bumpers come back, I'm going to get all the lighting ordered. I'm going to get the lube and stuff for my differentials ordered, and we're going to start getting all that stuff pumped out, because that stuff needs to be done like ASAP here. So crazy guys, I hope you guys enjoy this behind the scenes thing of like the SEMA build and SEMA process here. So if you do, shoot this video a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. We're definitely gonna be getting this truck one step closer to being finished. I will see you guys in the next video.